Speaking of Google, they have a new logo. You're a big logo guy. Well, you got to analyze the logos.
Me? Right now?
Yeah, you're a big logo guy.
Okay.
So Gmail came out with a new logo, and obviously they do not update this logo. I don't know if they ever updated it from the original. Definitely not in this big of a way.
Yeah.
And they're trying to make it more cohesive with the rest of the G Suite stuff. So Google Drive and all the rest of it, it had to get more colorful. Yeah, so there's the old, there's the new. And like I said, they're trying to get it more in line with their other products because the envelope didn't really fit the color scheme with the other G Suite products. What do you say, Will? Did they nail it? It's an M. It's still kind of an envelope, but it doesn't really read as an envelope anymore.
There was a video. Oh yeah, this. I watched it and I liked it. It was simple. It's all cohesive with Drive and Google Docs, and yeah, I prefer it.
You approve of their new logo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a huge endorsement. Willie Doo often is not one with the new logos, and he appreciates this one. Apparently, they did all kinds of testing to determine what mattered to people about the mail logo, and the envelope wasn't important to them. However, apparently the M was. So that's why they stuck with an M and then just sort of moved their colors across it. But yeah, certainly the G Suite looks a lot more cohesive now. Yeah, of course, for me, I'm always thinking about getting used to tapping a new logo. Like they did it with Maps recently on Android. Have you noticed the Maps icon? Of course you
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
It's like a little pin now, and it just takes you a while to get used to it. But I agree with you. I think it's a good move, modernization.